Hi, welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to make a glitch video effect right inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. Alright, so I'm already on the Adobe Premiere Pro, and I already have here, I'm gonna use a shaky footage that I already stabilized using Warp Stabilizer. Alright, so I'm gonna use this clip to put some glitch effect. Alright, so first, I don't want to put some effects right inside of the clip. Alright, so if that is the case, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create an adjustment layer so that I can apply the effects on the adjustment layer. Alright, so let's go to our project panel. Let's go to our project panel. Alright, and then I'm gonna click on new item. Alright, and then click on adjustment layer. Alright, I'm gonna okay, looks okay with that. Click OK, and then we have the adjustment layer here. So I'm gonna drag this to our timeline. Alright, it's already here. Let's try to make it a little bit zoom. Alright, cool. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna apply all the effects here. Now to add the glitch effect on the video, alright, all we have to do is to search for the effects tab. Alright, and we're gonna look for the effect name, and we're going to look for wave warp. Alright, so let's wave space warp. Alright, so wave warp is under video effects, under distort, there's a wave warp here. So I'm gonna add this to our timeline. Alright, now it's already on the timeline. Alright, if we're gonna play it, so this is what the footage looks like. Alright, cool. Now, so we're gonna try to make some adjustment here to make our glitch video effects. So we're gonna go to the effect controls, and then we're going to scroll down and look for wave warp here. So for the wave type, alright, so it's in the scene right now, so I'm gonna choose on noise. Alright, so we're in the noise wave type. And then for the wave height, alright, let's try to play with this. And for the wave height, let's try to do with a 32. Alright, let's try to make it with wave height for around 30. Alright, I'll cool with that. And then for the wave width, alright, if we're gonna increase that, that's gonna happen. We're gonna decrease that, this is gonna happen. Alright, so you can play with that, but I'm gonna stick with around 2000. Alright, so I'm gonna increase it around 2000 to really, alright, I think that's okay. It's distorted enough. Alright, and then alright, let's gonna try to decrease it. Alright, now with the direction, alright, 90 degrees. Okay, so if you can change that here, but I'm good with 90 degrees. Alright, and then with wave speed 1.0, that's okay. With the pinning, alright, so pinning is responsible for this black in the edge, alright, black color in the edge. So we can choose pinning, and then we can choose all edges. Alright, and then those black and the edge was gone now. Alright, that's how you remove the black. Now with the phase, alright, I think it leaves a 0 with initializing best quality low. Alright, that's okay with me. Alright, now we're gonna play this. What's gonna happen? Alright, this is what it looks like. Alright, that's the glitch effect. Okay, now we don't want to make it the whole time. Alright, so we're gonna try to cut this. Alright, I'm gonna increase it. Alright, so I'm gonna plus this one or zoom in. Alright, as you can see, there's the effects here. So to go back to the selection tool, click on V or select this tool. Alright, now we are in the selection tool. Right now we're gonna delete this, and then this one we're gonna delete this too. And then right for this one, we're gonna copy this. Alright, Command C or right click and then copy, and then we're going to paste it here. Alright, now it's spacing here in the V1 timeline, so to avoid that, alright, let's undo it. Make sure that the V1 here is not selected. Let's choose V2 and then uncheck or deselect this V1. Alright, so once we make some changes and copy and paste it, it will gonna affect on the V2, not on the V1. Alright, so let's try to copy paste it. Alright, so I'm pasting it right now. Paste it, then let's move it here and then paste it again, and then move here, paste it again. Alright, so once we play it, this is gonna happen. Alright, let's try to minimize the timeline by hitting the minus sign. Alright, so it's really up to you. You can try to spread this or make more copy and then paste it. Alright, somewhere here. Alright, it's really up to you where do you want to put in the glitch. And then once you play it, it's gonna happen. Alright, now to make it a little bit interesting, you can apply color. Alright, one of those glitches. Alright, cool. So I'm gonna click on this, say for example, so this one, let's try to this, since this is the beginning. All right, let's go to effect control, and let's try to wave height. Let's try to make it not so glitchy with the height. All right, so let's start with the 8. So it's just starting the glitch. All right, as you can see, just starting the glitch. And then for this one, let's try to change the color. Let's go to Lumetri color in this. All right, in this, let's go to effects and then look for Lumetri color. All right, now we have here under video effects, we have the Lumetri color here. We can drag and drop it to our this one. And since this is highlighted, this is an effects control, we can drop it here. And now the Lumetri color is in here. We can use the curves, all right, to make some color. So this one is the red color. All right, let's try to let's try to minimize this highlight, the red color down. All right, so that you can the color, the red color here, and then we can increase the shadows of the red. All right, so once we play it, as you can see, it's moving the it's going to red here, and this one. All right, as you can see, there's the glitch here. All right, so it really depends on you. You can play with the color and effects, how many glitch you'd like to have, and basically that's it. That's how you add, and that's how you add glitch effect on your video. All right, so thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.